Hey guys, today's video is a little different. I had the honor of attending my auntie's book presentation. She just released her latest book and let me tell you, the event was amazing. The atmosphere was filled with excitement and creativity, and I couldn't wait to see how everything came together. When we arrived, the guest was coming. It's always cool to get an autograph, especially when it's from family. It really made the whole thing feel special. And it wasn't just about the book, there was also a beautiful concert performance, plus some really delicious food and drinks. It felt like a celebration of creativity all around. I had the chance to chat with some people, try some amazing appetizer, and of course, enjoy the live music. It was such a fun experience. I'm so proud of my auntie for publishing her book, and seeing everyone come together to celebrate her work was truly inspiring.
Шығанақ естелік кітабының шығу тарихы мен 5 жыл оқыған Шығанақ шалғайдағы құм арасындағы ауыл Шығанақтың 60 жылдық тойы болды. Соған байланысты естелік кітап қалдырайық келешек ұрпаққа деген неменен ойменен жазылған кітап Шығанақ ауылы туралы кітап.